Let's uh, let's take other parts of the market, Mr. Tandon. We've had this fabulous rally in gold, and it is now a talk of the town. It's a very popular trade कि 1 लाख रुपए तोला gold आना चाहिए और वो आ भी चुका. For a seasoned trader like you, is the rally or the allure of gold now over?
So for last few months, we have been showcasing that the probability of US gold making a medium-term top is very high. And we believe in the month of April, gold has already made a medium-term drop, irrespective of consensus, which is getting built, which is also further endorsement that is a good medium-term top. But I'm still very optimistic, and from a longer term perspective, we say one should have a sizable allocation towards precious metal space, gold and silver both. Maybe even silver is very important because in long term, I still expect that silver has potential to outperform gold also. But somebody could have asked me from a very near term perspective, then I think gold has made a peak, and one of the reason why we have exited entire gold holdings in our portfolio in our multi-asset fund. And since we can't hedge 100%, we have to maintain 10% precious metal exposure, and hence we have moved towards silver. So instead of holding gold in our portfolio, we are holding silver because we believe silver will fall less than the gold in the current environment. But if we get any reasonably sharp fall, we have talked about 8 to 12% or 9 to 12% fall can happen in gold from the peak from 3,500 levels. So I will then look for a buying opportunity, maybe closer to 3,000 mark or something psychologically around that level. So from a very medium or short term perspective, yes, it has peaked out. From a longer term perspective, I'll rebuild the exposure at appropriate time.
Okay. Did I hear you correctly that you've trimmed down gold in multi-asset to the bare minimum 10% and moved that money into silver?
No, we have trimmed down gold completely. So we have to maintain 10% in precious metal space or the commodities as a basket. So instead of holding gold in our portfolio, we have minimum 10% silver now in our portfolio. Instead of gold, it is silver because we have a compulsion to maintain that much exposure as per the SIT requirement.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.